Hi, my name is Enrique, and I'm studying aerospace engineering at Nash Community College. Inside of your kit, you have a 3 foot long piece of copper wire, a battery, 3 colorful LEDs, a note card with a picture, and a schematic how to set up your circuit. There's also a blank piece of paper in case you want to make your own. To start off, you're gonna lay down and measure your piece of copper tape, and you're gonna want to make a note of where that dotted line ends. And secondly, you're gonna want to cut it. Now, for this one, you're going to want to measure it again, but we are actually going to leave a space right here for the LED. So you're gonna want to mark it 3 times. And cut there. So after you've placed down the tape along this dotted line, you're gonna come down here to where the battery is placed. We're going to measure this piece connected to the battery, but make sure it's a little longer as we're going to make a loop at the end. Now, the easiest way to peel off this piece of copper tape is to try removing the copper tape off the paper instead of the other way around. And make sure it does not stick to itself. Now we're going to attach the battery to this piece of tape. I'm going to open it. And we're going to make sure that the positive side of the battery is facing upwards. Like that. So an easy way to stick down the copper tape onto the paper is to peel off the tape, curve it a bit so that you can stick the end. Just push it down as you go. Oh, it's a little. So now we're going to apply the LED. You're going to want to make sure that the positive leg and the negative leg are in the correct direction. So the positive leg is the longer leg, so it goes here on the left. And the shorter leg is the negative one, so it goes up here. You're going to want to bend the legs so that the LED stands upright. Now you're gonna want to stick the legs down with a separate piece of copper tape. So that the electricity flows through. Now you're gonna need a pencil to poke a hole right where the LED is sending. So we're just gonna eyeball that. Just poke a hole right through the paper. Now you're gonna want to get the LED to fit through that little hole. And if it doesn't, you just need to make it bigger. So now that you've successfully gotten the LED through the hole, you want to fold this piece of copper tape onto the battery and light up the LED.